Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from... Oh, here. It's from China. And I found it at Asian Family Market in on Aurora, North Seattle / Shoreline. Fans Kitchen. Premium instant noodles, Chongqing spicy flavor. Sounds good to me. There's the bowl. There's the lid. And everything's in here. I usually just have to deconstruct these things before I do them up. So here's the noodles. Came with a fork. My daughter likes to make off with these and start poking her brother with them. You know, so I tell ya, learn things. Come on. Yeah, things are getting weird in their school because like a good portion of the kids are going back, but we're not comfortable with that yet. And you can judge us all you want, you know. We're the parents. We get to make these decisions. Hi, did you finish your lunch? Not yet? Well, go finish it. She was hot on it today, though, ladies and gentlemen. Let me tell you, teacher was asking Miles math questions in kindergarten. She's in preschool. She was just like 3, 17, 18, 27. I was just like, wow. You do have school. You may even have a craft project. You like that? No? You don't want to do school? You want to see Teacher Sally and Teacher Carly and Teacher Amanda? It's funny, they all... When I was a kid in school, we didn't talk about any of these teachers by their first name. No way. That's enough out there. Alright, time to cut off your eyes. Bite your eye, cut your fingers off. Shush. Peekaboo, you kid. There we go. And it made a mess. I just don't get it. I can't stop making messes with water. 5 minutes. 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna cut your fingers off. So shush. God. Time out. And stop being little troublemakers out there. I was just telling the nice people in TV land how nice you've been and good you've been today. And then what happens? All goes up in flames. Ah. Well, anyways, not too far up in flames. Well, let's take this and put it to the side for now. I did start the timer, so we're good. And we're going to do our quote of the day from the book Momofuku Ando Speaks. Quotes from the guy who invented instant noodles. The last one was, working 24 hours a day doesn't mean sitting in the office for 24 hours a day. And then the next one is 227, not taking action even when the root of the problem... Wait. Yeah. Not taking action, even when the root of the problem is clear, is nothing if not evidence of corporate malaise. You don't want to suffer, ladies and gentlemen, from corporate malaise. I don't know what you would do then. But yeah, I dislike corporate malaise. Scatterday. I think that's what this is. I just feel really scattered. Trying to get a bunch of stuff done all at the same time. Doesn't always work out so well for the thinker. What we got here? Monopoly tickets. Man, oh, that's right. So I was at the store last night. You know, I don't see so well. So I used one card and Pellegrino. So I used the first card. And at first it was 25 bucks. Then I used the food card. Everybody gets food cards right now. It's like you'd have to be like, it's really hard not to get food stamps right now. Anyways, and they definitely help. Anyways, so I used that. I had to get Band-Aids too. So I wanted to know how much it was. So I did the food stamps. And the guy's just staring at me. I'm like waiting for him. Because when you do that, usually they read back the next amount. Like, okay, that'll be 25 bucks. I'm like, is it okay to put my other card in? He's like, yeah. I'm like, oh, well, I put the other card in first. Yeah, and that took that off, and the remainder's $9. It's like, and he got like I was really pissing him off. Like I was like, you sick freaking customer. Why do you expect that from me? I mean, it was really like, I wanted to reach over the counter and just like, Redbox, who actually rents physical DVDs anymore? Comment below if you do. But, yeah, it was just like, you punk. Don't give me attitude. Come on. Free Shutterfly desktop plaque. Good luck redeeming that one. Oh, look, I've dropped one on the floor. Oh, how much time we got left? A minute. Okay, this is only the last one. 50% off Tampax tampons or always pads or liners. So, check this out. We cleaned the closet, our bedroom closet, for the first time in years and just dug through everything. And I found this. So I have an A+ certification from like years ago, and it's computers. So basically, there's a bunch of computers, and this is like the practice questions thing. And it's fun. I love doing this. It's fun to do all these questions and answers and stuff, but we won't have time to get to that today. You're being spared by the clock. You don't have to like do any computer questions today. Do you like that? I hope so. Look, the sun is gone. Now it's getting windy. Wow. So this is the Chongqing spicy. I'm guessing it's going to have a little bit of Szechuan peppery kind of thing going on. Bet it's going to be good. Because I had one yesterday. I actually ate the whole friggin' thing. I couldn't help myself. But I did better today. I didn't eat so much. I really like the noodle, and the broth is just so oomphy. It's got a nice oiliness. Oh yeah. That is excellent. I am thrilled by this, ladies and gentlemen. JML did a really good job on this product line. I'm really stoked. And I got one more. I'm gonna have to contact these people and go like, hey, how many more varieties am I missing? Because I really want to try all you got. I also want to get to a Walmart that has a big wall of Panda Signature People really don't like that stuff. Now, I'm not going to say it's like something that thrills me, but I will say it fascinates me. Let's start with this beef I sauteed. I'm going to eat a piece of it. Mmm. 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 Polarize it a little bit. Mmm, getting closer. Hey, Mimi, you want your drink? Here you go. Enjoy that and enjoy the rest of your lunch. It's almost time for you to have school. All right. Maybe I can get a nice shot. I'd like to get a really good shot of slicing an egg. I don't think I will though, but I'll give it a try. That one came out pretty good. We're like almost, that's the last one I've got actually on hand. I've got to pray to the goddess of egg power tonight and see if she would be so kind to make some more of these little beauties. Little beauties! I'm gonna point this down now. And then I want these noodles to be a little more prominent. I want to use some of these mung bean sprouts, but not all of them. And we're gonna go for some spring onion. Do I want to use the black or the white? I'm gonna go with the white or the blonde or whatever you want to call it. And it's already got Szechuan pepper. Let's just use this crushed red pepper. Yeah. And a little chili oil. And we're gonna call that a day. Come on. This is like a really long cord, but I need a longer one. At least it seems like. What are you doing? It's looking all stretched out. The other one didn't. All right. Da-da-da-da-da. All right, well, for now, that's that. It's been Hans the Ramen wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. I got 10 minutes. I got to take pictures, and that's that. So, yeah. Thank you for watching, and rocking and rolling, and doing and doing. So, have a good one. Bye-bye. If that worked. Gotta push the button. Bye-bye.